Before I started my YouTube channel 11 years ago, I used to do a TV gig. Yes, it was called Crank It Up. Here's one of my old shirts. Don't make fun of the name. I did that on CBS TV for a couple of decades, and people are always saying, Scotty, whatever happened to those old videos you did? Well, I dug around in my messy garage and found a bunch of these old videos. So here's some old school Scotty.
Here's your stuff.
If you want the right stuff to fix your car, why not try the right stuff? It's gasket sealer in a can, and here's how easy it is to use. Let's say you've got an old car like mine. Hey, it's not easy to get parts for a 24-year-old car. Maybe your thermostat gasket's leaking. Well, here's how you can replace it. First, get a wrench and take the bolts off your thermostat gasket. When you get the second bolt off, just pull the thermostat housing off. Be sure you put a drain pan to collect the antifreeze so animals don't drink it. Then get an old turkey baster and suck out the coolant until the level is below the housing so the sealant won't have any on it. Then get an old putty knife and scrape the residual gaskets off. You have to make sure that the surface is clean so the sealant will make a good seal and not leak. Then get a paper towel and wipe it all off so it's completely dry. Then get your can of the right stuff. And if you notice, there's a little loop on here. That's because I've used it before. You leave a little loop out so you can pull it out and then use it over. Then the only thing you want to seal is the inside. So turn it on and make a little circle around the whole gasket. There it is. And remember, squeeze it a little so you have a little piece sticking out so you can pull it out and use it over. This stuff dries really quickly and you don't have to wait. With many of the other sealers on the market, you might have to wait 5 or 10 minutes. You can immediately put it in and fill it up with coolant and it won't leak. Now you can use this right stuff for all kinds of sealants. You can use it for your valve cover gaskets, you can use it for water pump gaskets, timing cover gaskets, engine oil pan gaskets, transmission gaskets, and rear end gaskets. The only thing you can't use it for are extremely hot areas like exhaust gaskets and head gaskets. So now you know, as my wife has always told me, good things can come in small packages.
Say hello to my little friend.
Just shoot your leaks away with a little can of the right stuff. This is Scotty Kilmer helping you crank it up. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.